Okay, first we're going to start with a science experiment. The ball is going to represent Earth, and the sticker, I had a little sticker of a bird. The bird is going to represent where we are on Earth. So pretend like that's our classroom that we can't go to right now. We need 4 positions. Position 1 is noon. Position 2 is sunset, when the sun goes down. Position 3 is midnight. Position 4 is when the sun comes up, called sunrise. We need a flashlight, but I think that this flashlight might be very strong. This one might not be strong enough. So we're actually going to try our experiment with 2 different flashlights. But I have to pause and go turn the light out. So this is not showing the movement of the planet so much as this experiment is supposed to show how much sun you're going to get for each part of the day. Hold on. Okay, so position 1, noon. At noon, see the sticker? The sticker is getting full sun at noon. So we move in a counterclockwise pattern for this experiment. We move our sun to the sunset position. And you can see the sticker is, you can see the line on the ball, which is Earth, and where you are, you're supposed to be right here. You're losing sunlight because the sun, which is the flashlight, has moved to the sunset position. Now we have to move it again. We have to put the sun all the way at midnight. Position 3 is midnight. Now that the sun is shining someplace else, how much sunlight are you getting? Remember, the sticker represents where we are in our classroom in Canada that we can't go to right now. It's not getting the sunlight from the other side. But since that flashlight is so strong, it shines through. So look at it again. See how from the side it's not getting the direct sunlight. Plus we're going to try it with the other flashlight. Then when it moves, again, see how just as it moves around, it's coming to sunrise. You can see the line on the ball is almost to the bird. That's sunrise, position 4 sunrise, and we're about to get sunlight again. So now we're going to turn on this flashlight and see if it gives us a better representation or not as good a representation. Okay, we have to turn this flashlight off. Okay, that one's off. Okay, now you have to move it closer. But it might be better with this one. This represents noon. Where we are at noon, we get lots of sunlight. As it moves, oh, this is a little bit better. Now, it's sunset for our sticker. Our sticker's not in the direct sunlight. We move to the back. The sticker's definitely in the dark. So that's midnight for our sticker when we move our flashlight to position 3. And then as we move our flashlight to position 4, look, the sun is starting to get close to our sticker again. So when you use a flashlight that's not as strong, it doesn't shine through the ball, my plastic ball. So in STEM scopes, they wanted you to try, it says try now. Model sunlight during different times of the day. You will need a flashlight, a ball, and a sticker. And that's what we had. And you can rewind the video and look again if you want. Where did my sticker go? Remember, the sticker represents where you are. Use the diagram to guide you. I had positions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Position 1 is noon, the middle of the day. Position 2 is sunset. Position 3 is midnight. Position 4 is sunrise. I don't think you should put the ball like this. You needed to put it facing the flashlight. In the diagram, it does look like the sticker's there, but I think it's not the best drawing. And the flashlight has to be facing here, then here, then there. 4 positions. But I will read the instructions to you anyway. Put a sticker on the ball. Set the ball in the middle of the room. Turn off the lights. The flashlight represents the sun. The ball represents the earth. And the sticker represents where you are on earth. Stand facing the ball at position 1 and shine the flashlight directly on the sticker. This represents noon because the sun, the flashlight, is directly above the sticker, or I should say facing the sticker. 3. Keeping the ball in the same location. You just move the flashlight. Take the flashlight and slowly move counterclockwise to the right until you are shining the light on position 2 of the model. This represents sunset. The sticker on the ball is getting some sunlight, but is about to lose it to darkness. This starts nighttime. Take the flashlight and slowly move counterclockwise until you are shining it at position 3. The sticker on the ball is now getting no sunlight. Therefore, the location on Earth represented by the sticker is now midnight. And then 5, move to position 4 and shine the light toward the ball. This represents sunrise and the beginning of daytime. The sticker is just starting to receive sunlight. So let's scroll up so you can see the whole stemscopedia. I just enlarged it. Somewhere on your account it might say Spanish. So if you click on that, it'll put the whole thing in Spanish, okay? And it's in Clever. I'm just giving you a read aloud. So let's think. Look at each picture. Let's see what they want us to think about. Some things you do during the day. Other things you do at night. So when do you do this? And when do you do this? Even though I'm not there with you, you can answer or talk to your mom or your dad or your brother or your sister. So, is this day or night? Why? Is this day or night? Why? Some things you do only in winter. Others you do only in the summer. So you ask yourself, when do we do this? And when do we do this? And why? And you have to remember, we don't do this very often in Louisiana at all. We don't get a lot of snow in the winter. Why do we do different things at different times of the year? Different times of the day, different times of the year. Well, why do you go to school during the day and not at night? Does it have something to do with the sunlight? Why do you go to the beach in the summer instead of the winter? Does it have something to do with the sunlight and how warm it is? Day and night are different. Oops. Day and night are different. We notice it is daytime when the sun comes out, but when it is daytime where you live, it is nighttime on the other side of the world. It depends on which side of Earth is facing the sun. Look at the picture. The side of Earth facing sun has daylight. It is nighttime on the side of the Earth facing away from the sun. So that's what we just did in our experiment. The flashlight was the sun, the ball was the Earth, and the sticker means where we are. Scroll down again. There are 4 seasons. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. People can do different activities during different seasons. In the winter, you might build a snowman. In the spring, you might enjoy taking long walks or playing at the park. In the summer, you might cool off in the swimming pool or at the beach. The fall is a great time to play in the fallen leaves. What is each season like in the United States? We do get a good winter in the United States, but not in our state of Louisiana. Winter starts in December and ends in February. During winter, nights are longer and the weather is colder. If it is winter where you live, you will not see as much daylight. The sun rises later and sets earlier. Spring. Spring starts in March and ends in May. Days start to get longer. Having more daylight during the day helps the weather get warmer. If it snowed in the winter, the snow may start to melt. Plants also start to grow again. Summer starts in June and ends in August. We see the most daylight during the day in the summer. All the daylight makes summer the hottest season of the year. Fall. Fall starts in September and ends in November. We start to see a little less daylight for each day, which makes the air get colder. Leaves change color and fall off the trees. And there you have the temperate deciduous forest that we studied in knowledge time. And there's the experiment. And don't forget, if you go up to the top, let me make it normal size again. Look for it in Spanish, if you're one of the Spanish speakers. And then maybe you and your parents can read it together. See? It might be in Spanish on your page. I'm not sure. Okay. Hope to make a new video for you soon. Miss you.